Hello, Masplex homemakers! Here I am again, Nancy Reyes Lumen, and we are going to be doing a very creative session now. Maliban pa sa baking pans used for baking, which is actually for the love of baking, pwede rin natin for the love of not baking the same pans. And maraming ibang uses na pwede nating isipin gawin. Let's start with this one. That's the bundt pan. The bundt pan, gagawin niya ng parang pudding cake and usually, wala na kayong maisip kung ano pang gagawin. Pero tingnan nyo, this was steamed rice steamed with some fillings ng mga tira-tirang mga meat trimmings and pwede ring mga vegetables. Basta this is sticky rice that you form na andito, nakaporma siya. Tapos may butas din para mas madaling maluto yung loob. Just be sure na what you're putting, everything you put there has been cooked already. So, parang ina-assemble nyo rin and then putting more flavors and then make it into a rice cake. Ito ang very, very unique na pwedeng paggamitan ulit ng ating bundt pan. Pinaupong manok. So, you will just put the manok there, dun sa may hole, and i-roast nyo siya together with mga veggies. So, ito, sometimes, dahil sa ganda, pwede nyo na rin i-serve as is like that. Diba? Very unique. So, naisip na magamit ulit. Para hindi naman araw-araw gagawa kayo ng bundt cake, pwedeng-pwede itong gamitin. In fact, why not start a business na ito yung ginagamit nyo? Diba? Get a lot of bundt pans and do that. Very unique sa inyong magiging chicken business.